The first two examples in question 4 are the opposite to question 3. So question 3 was getting us to write as entire surds. Okay. Now what we're trying to do is strip stuff out of the square root symbol. Now the way I do this, and there's multiple ways of doing this, is I basically, in my head, I run up all my squared numbers that I know, because they're usually low ones. So I'm running up, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Oh, 25 is a factor of 50. So I know that this is really the square root of 25 times 2. And I know that the square root of 25 is 5. So I can now take the 5 out of the square root bracket and answer that question like that. So again, in this one, I'm running up looking for factors of 45. 1, 4, no, 9, yes, 9 5s are 45. So the square root of 9 times 5 will work. The square root of 9 is 3, so I can have 3 outside of the square root of 5 as my answer. Alright, moving on. Down here, when we simplify these, because I've got 7 groups of the square root of 3, and I'm taking 11 groups of the square root of 3 away, it's a little bit like algebra, this one. These are like terms, if you like. Because these are the same, I'm allowed to just do it as a simple subtraction. So 7 groups take away 11 groups, I'm left with negative 4 groups of root 3. Question D is a little bit different, okay? This goes back to sort of question 3. You're allowed to multiply these guys together, and you're allowed to multiply the numbers out the front together. Remember, this is actually a 1 here, okay? We just don't write it in. So we say 5 times 1 is 5, and then 3 times 7, just to make it nice and clear. So this will be 5 root 21.